What's the meaning of anesthesia? Anesthesia. 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 Anesthesia.
Anesthesia is a medical process that is designed to eliminate pain and sensation in a patient's body during a surgical procedure. The process typically involves the administration of drugs or gases to make the person unconscious, numb, or otherwise incapable of feeling pain or discomfort. The goal of anesthesia is to ensure that the patient does not experience any physical distress during the surgery and can recover safely afterwards. Without anesthesia, surgeries and other medical procedures would be much more painful and difficult for patients to endure, making it an essential aspect of modern medicine.